Indonesia is on a transformative journey toward economic growth and technological advancement. Along the way, Indonesia still faces complex challenges in health, food security, and energy resilience, from disparities in rural healthcare and climate-affected agriculture to the urgent need for a transition to renewable energy. Addressing these issues requires fresh perspectives and bold leadership. In this pivotal moment, the creativity, innovation, and commitment of Indonesia's youth are not just valuable, but they are essential. To harness the potential of young Indonesians, youth-centered programs are being developed across various sectors, including healthcare, agriculture, and energy. To develop meaningful change, inclusive youth programs are being developed across these vital sectors. These programs focus on capacity building, providing education, training, and leadership development to strengthen youth capabilities. Access to resources, enabling youth to access funding, mentorship, and technical support to bring their ideas to life. Collaboration platforms, creating networks and partnerships where young people can connect, share solutions, and scale impact. These programs aim to unlock youth potential as problem solvers, innovators, and changemakers across healthcare, agriculture, and energy sector, with knowledge to lead meaningful change. Indonesia's healthcare system is undergoing major changes in 2025. While progress is being made, challenges remain. One major issue is healthcare access. Despite the government's Jaminan Kesehatan Nasional (JKN) program, the world's largest single-payer healthcare system, disparities remain, especially between urban and rural areas. Indonesia is seeing a rise in non-communicable diseases, NCDs, like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. These conditions now account for a significant portion of healthcare costs and require urgent preventive measures. One of Indonesia's biggest initiatives in 2025 is the Free Lunch Program, aimed at tackling malnutrition and stunting among children. The government has targeted to provide nutritious meals to 82.9 million people by 2029. Till 2025, innovations like telemedicine services, Halodoc, Alodoctor are expanding healthcare access in rural and urban areas alike. Indonesia's healthcare system is evolving, but challenges remain. With better policies, funding, and technology, we can create a healthier future for all Indonesians. Indonesia is well known for its agricultural diversity, with this sector as one of the strongest backbones for Indonesia's economy, contributing 12.6% to the overall GDP. Indonesia is blessed with diverse and abundant agricultural products like palm, rubber, cocoa, coffee, and spices, which support the nation's export performance. Our diverse food crops include rice, corn, cassava, and a large variety of nuts have also supported the nation's food diversification. As the population grows, the demand also grows, with multiple challenges to be faced. Some challenges we encounter involve issues such as land degradation and loss, aging workforce and declining farmer numbers, rising input costs, climate change that affects crop yield and quality, and innovation and technology development. Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago, and the beating heart of Southeast Asia's economy. In 2025, Indonesia's energy sector is transforming faster than ever before. With over 280 million people, energy demand continues to surge, driven by steady 5% economic growth, industrial expansion, and rapid urbanization. Yet, over 56% of Indonesia's electricity still relies on coal. The opportunity is enormous. Indonesia holds the second largest geothermal reserves globally, with an estimated potential of 23.9 gigawatts, along with vast untapped solar, hydro, and wind energy resources. Currently, renewable energy accounts for only about 14% of Indonesia's total energy mix, well below the government's target of 23 to 25% over the next 5 years. To meet these goals and accelerate the clean energy transition, significant investment is needed, especially in solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower projects. Such investments will not only help reduce carbon emissions, but also diversify Indonesia's energy sources and strengthen energy security. Challenges remain. Around 99% of the population has access to electricity, but many remote islands still face unstable supply. Building smart grids, modernizing transmission lines, and expanding renewable projects are critical steps forward. With a bold commitment to achieve net zero emissions by 2060, Indonesia is opening new doors for global investors. Renewable energy development, infrastructure modernization, technology innovation, carbon markets expansion. Indonesia's future in healthcare, agriculture, and energy depends on the innovation, resilience, and commitment of its youth as changemakers. In healthcare, agriculture, and energy, young leaders are called to transform passion into action. Youth growing awareness of sustainability offers hope for better opportunities and intensifies Indonesia's participation in the international market, supported through mentorship, funding, and demand-creating policies. By providing access to training, mentorship, funding, and collaboration opportunities, we empower young changemakers to build a healthier, more sustainable, and resilient nation. Together, we can drive lasting transformation for generations to come. By supporting youth across these sectors, we can collaborate to build a brighter and sustainable Indonesia.